Valet service.
Good morning, Alan.
I believe you are checking out for today.
Yes, I have another conference in Japan tomorrow.
Would you like me to prepare your bills?
Yes, please.
What mode of payment are you going to use? Cash or card?
I will pay it with American Visa card.
Okay, ma'am. Wait for a moment. Hello, this is Butler Allen. Ma'am Antoinette at room 2010 will be checking out for today. Please prepare her bills and she is going to pay with her American Visa.
For a moment, give me 20 minutes to prepare her bills.
Thank you, ma'am. Your bills is ongoing. Would you like me to pack your things now?
Yes, Alan. The vault is open, so you can get my jewelry there, but you leave my Rolex watch that I will use in the dresser.
Okay, ma'am. Your bills is settled, ma'am. Please sign and check it if it is correct.
Okay, here is my card.
Please sign it here again, ma'am. You are now settled. Your things are all ready, ma'am. Is there anyone will fetch you or would you like me to call me a cab for you?
Yes, there is someone to fetch me from the airport. Can you check it for me if it is already in the lobby?
Okay, ma'am. Wait for a moment. Hello, sir. This is Butler Allen. Please check on Ma'am Antoinette at room 2010 if her car is there.
Yes, her car is ready in the waiting area.
Thank you, sir. Ma'am, your car is waiting for you. Let me carry the luggage out for you.
Thank you, Alan.
It is my pleasure. Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe trip and God bless.
Thank you, Alan. You are my great butler.
It is my pleasure, ma'am.